Hello, welcome to another tutorial on donut making. I'm so excited to have you here. Firstly, let's take a look on our recipes. We have flour, milk, butter, sugar, yeast, egg, warm water. So I start by sifting all my dry ingredients, including the yeast and sugar. For anything, just to make it smooth, I go by adding milk and sugar. For the water, I don't put all the water first because some flour absorb water easily while others don't. So what I do is I put my water bit by bit until I get the right consistency that I want. Then I can now start kneading my dough properly. So I clean my work table first and pour the dough on the work table and I knead. For the butter quantity, I don't usually mix all my butter at first, so I remain part of it that I used to work on it on table like this, so it won't be sticky, and I find it very easy when you knead with butter. So this is how I knead my dough. When kneading this dough, you have to be very patient because you are going to knead continuously for about 20 to 25 minutes. You can see I took my time to show the way it is for different minutes, from 5 minutes of kneading to 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, there to 20-25 minutes. See how soft it is, and it is very stretchy and smooth. This is how you know that your dough is ready. Personally, after kneading, I measure everything to know the total amount of it. Then I'll now divide it by the quantity I want. This is how I will know how many grams I'm cutting out for one donut. So now here is the tricky part, rolling this donut. You have to be very careful. I showed several ways I did it here. I don't know how to explain, but just watch the video. Add everything together and then roll them with your hand. Make sure there is no hole, there's no crack, because if it's not well covered, once you put it inside oil, it is going to open. Then when you put it on the table or wherever you want to set it, you use your hand and press it down twice, the way I did it in this video. Just watch carefully this part. Use your hand and press it down to get that round, it won't be too round, but to get that donut shape. After this, I covered for 40 minutes. I covered at 3:30 p.m. to open it at 4:10, 10 minutes past 4. I show you the time here, so you can see now that it has increased its size, it has doubled its size. When frying, please use a very low heat, impossible lowest heat. I couldn't video the gas and all that, I would have showed you, but use the lowest heat. You can fry in 4 or 5, depends on the size of your fry pan, but my fry pan size is small. I fry in 3, and when you put it, you allow it to stay maybe for 5-6 minutes so that the other side can be brown, and then you gently turn. No hot heat, please, very low heat. You can see that our donut is ready. Yes, very low heat, and you will get very nice golden brown. That is it. It is so easy, it's not that difficult. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. I can't wait for you to do your own donut. Bye. Please don't forget to like and follow me on my social media.